And so we come today to honor a teacher who shows the passion, the enthusiasm, and dedication for her profession and for her students every single day. Holly, if you would please come forward. On behalf of WHAS, LG&E KU, and the Jefferson County Public School System, we present you with the ExCEL Award. Thanks for everything you do for our children in our public schools. Congratulations.
Through the encouragement and support of my loving family, I took the plunge and never turned back. I grew up with fantastic role models who still inspire me today. Parents who encourage, love, and instill what it means to work hard. I'm blessed to do what I do every day. I have an amazing team that I look forward to seeing every day, a team who leans on one another, and a team who's like family. An administrative team who care about me and they love what they do. And 29 fifth grade faces that depend on me to show up and give it my all.